Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. We have prepared the Bitcoin news for you. Presents Cryptonic Events. Spanish $57 billion Santander Bank educates investors on Bitcoin. Although Santander Bank was a bit skeptical about the cryptocurrency sector in 2022, leading it to limit Bitcoin, BTC, payments, the Spanish banking giant seems to have drastically changed its tune, coinciding with a wave of applications for a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, by major financial and asset management institutions. As it happens, Santander has recently started a Digital Assets 101 educational series on its website, breaking down the fundamentals, benefits, and implications of this transformative technology, the company said on its Twitter profile when introducing its first lesson on Bitcoin on June 9. 7 days after the introductory lesson called Everything You Need to Know About Bitcoin, the bank shared another lecture, this time focusing on all the pros and cons of Bitcoin's Lightning Network protocol, for which it said it enables high volumes of instantaneous micropayments, supporting millions of transactions per second. Increased institutional interest. Interestingly, this change in tune arrives around the same time when multiple large mainstream institutions have started to recognize the opportunities that the cryptocurrency space offers, jumping on the Bitcoin ETF bandwagon as a way to offer their clients access to crypto assets without direct exposure. Specifically, the firms that have recently filed or refiled for a spot Bitcoin ETF include the world's largest asset manager BlackRock, NYS, BLK, digital asset management firm Valkyrie, independent investment management company Invesco, NYS, IVZ, global ETF and exchange-traded product, ETP, sponsor WisdomTree, as well as crypto index fund manager Bitwise. Meanwhile, Bitcoin was, at the time of publication, changing hands at the price of $30,197, demonstrating an increase of 4.39% on the day, a 21.25% gain across the previous week, and a growth of 10.64% on its monthly chart, as it adds up to more than an 80% advance since the year's turn, according to the most recent data retrieved by Finbold on June 22. Bitcoin price and price predictions. Bitcoin price today is $30,160 with a 24-hour trading volume of $64.91 billion, market cap of $585.31 billion, and market dominance of 49.03%. The BTC price increased 4.66% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from June 22, 2023 at 1500 hours, the general Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is bullish, with 27 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 3 signaling bearish signals. BTC price prediction was last updated on June 22, 2023 at 1500 hours. Bitcoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $29,660, Bitcoin has support levels of $28,661, $27,262, and the strongest at $26,264. Similarly, Bitcoin resistance levels are at $31,058, $32,057, and $33,455. Bitcoin reached its highest price on November 10, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $68,770, while Bitcoin's lowest price was recorded on July 17, 2010 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.050000. The lowest price since its ADH was $15,599, cycle low. The highest BTC price since the last cycle low was $30,956, cycle high. The Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 65, greed. Bitcoin's current circulating supply is 19.41 MBTC out of max supply of 21.00 MBTC.
The current yearly supply inflation rate is 1.75%, meaning 333,089 BTC were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Bitcoin is currently ranked number 1 in the proof-of-work coin sector and ranked number 1 in the Layer 1 sector. Bitcoin is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average (SMA). The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 159 days, since January 13, 2023. The price of Bitcoin is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 2 days, since June 19, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 525 days ago, on January 12, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 6, 2023, which was 135 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Bitcoin's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $25,978 by July 21, 2023. Bitcoin's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $27,991 by July 21, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 71.11, which indicates that the BTC market is in an overbought position. The RSI indicator suggests that the price of BTC will increase. According to our current Bitcoin price prediction, the value of Bitcoin is predicted to rise by 2.42% and reach $31,211 by June 27, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 65, greed. Bitcoin recorded 53% green days with 2.95% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a good time to buy Bitcoin. Comparing Bitcoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Bitcoin price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Bitcoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, BTC price prediction for year 2026 is $564,973 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Bitcoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $64,811. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.